Learn how to sync your Zotero library across the web, desktop, and mobile so your papers follow you on every device you use. The secret is using one single account, whether you are using the browser, the desktop app, or the mobile version or different devices, you must use the same email address. If you haven't yet created an account, head to zotero.org to create and verify your account. Logging in to the Zotero's web is simple. Here I have my web library with about 44 papers listed. To get these on my desktop app, I will go to Edit, Settings, and click on Sync. Just enter the same login credentials and enter the verification code you receive on the email and hit Link Account and grant the permissions. Now the library should be synchronized automatically within a few seconds. If not, don't worry, just click on the Synchronize button on the right hand side of the Zotero's toolbar. This forces to instantly sync all the papers. And it's the same story for the mobile. Log in, authorize, and your entire library is in your pocket. One library, any device, anywhere. If you want to master Zotero from scratch, check out my full step-by-step tutorial. Any questions? Comment below.